everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney. Today's video is a bonus video this week. So that's right, you're getting 2 videos this week. And today I have got a haul for you. I've picked up some craft supplies that I will need for future fall and Christmas DIYs. And most importantly, there are a lot of crafting techniques, crafting styles, if you call them that I want to try to incorporate some fresh new ideas, especially into Christmas DIYs. Things like punch needling, felting, lots of things I want to try. So I shopped around trying to figure out the most cost-effective way to gather up all these different kits and supplies, and I did end up getting all of these things from Temu. Temu is an online marketplace where you can purchase items that are sold on big brand retailers for a fraction of the cost. They offer free shipping and free returns up to 90 days. If you are a new user, you can use the code to get a $100 bundle, or if you're a new app user, you can use the code on the screen to get 30% off plus more exclusive deals. So the first thing that I want to try is punch needling. I ordered this kit and it had everything I needed in this one kit. So it came with directions, it came with a hoop along with the fabric that you need. It came with the punch needle tool, and then of course all of the yarn. So I thought when I saw this, you know what would be really cute is if I could figure out how to do this and then make a Christmas tree ornament that's punch needle style and maybe work some beads into it. I thought that would be really cute. So let me give this a go. Let's see how I do. Here are my initial thoughts on punch needling. This has the potential to be a very fun crafting technique to do. There is a little bit of a learning curve. It was very easy to thread the needle and to get started. Once you figure out how close you need to kind of stitch this, it started just to become very easy to do. So I'm very excited to kind of keep practicing on this one in particular, and then hopefully bring you guys a really fun DIY in an upcoming video. Next up is macrame. So I've always wanted to try macrame, and I got this really cute kit. It comes with the stuff to make 3 different trees. So there's green, red, white yarn. It comes with directions in here along with the beads and the hoops. I'm a little intimidated by macrame if I'm being honest, but I am very excited to give this a try. The next crafting technique style that I wanted to try, it doesn't look like a lot, but it is a felt needling kit. And this is going to, as you can kind of see, there's felt. Again, it comes with everything that you need, the little needles. This is gonna turn into a porcupine. I don't know, I see all these cute little characters and I thought, okay, if I can figure out how to do this, then I could definitely maybe make some cute candy canes or something like that. I don't know, we'll see, but this is a great little kit. It comes again with everything that you need to try felt needling. Up next is not something that is totally new to me. I did try it on a cruise that I went on last summer with Shannon the Daily DIYer, and that is diamond painting. So you get a scene, and then with that scene, you get these little jewels, and then a tray, and the little tool you need to put on there. I just thought this Christmas house was very, very pretty. It's just a very calming activity, and so I'm excited to do this and then frame it for the holiday season. To go along with that diamond painting kit, I did pick up an additional diamond painting toolkit. This one has several different little tips along with another housing that's a little bit bigger and easier to grip, and some of the little ticky-tack you need to stick those down. When I was doing it last year, I kept thinking, oh, it'd be really helpful if I had this kind of little tip. Well, this is what that is. So I think this will be very helpful when I'm creating that picture. Next up is resin. So I've done one resin project. I still have a little bit to learn, but the resin that I used on those gummy bear coasters, you might remember those that I made from a mystery box, was from Temu, and I absolutely loved their resin. I found it really easy to work with. So I got 2 of these, the mixes, and then of course it came with the droppers, your gloves, your mixing sticks, and your directions. Resin is actually really easy to work with, but you just kind of have to know all the little tips and tricks, like the bubbles and using a heat gun and things like that. So I'm excited to try resin again. Now I'm very excited about this little guy. So this is called the Craft Buddy, and it's a die cut machine. You don't have to plug it in. It's just a hand crank die cut machine. So if you don't have a Cricut or Silhouette or some type of cutting machine, this would be a very affordable option. It comes, here it is, so cute and little. All right, let's check out what it comes with. It comes with instructions here of how to use it. This is the little machine, and essentially you put the plates through it and you roll it. And then of course it comes with the plates that you need to use the die cuts. Now along with this, I also picked up a cute little gingerbread man die cut, which I thought would be so cute for Christmas. And then this is just a little like package. It can turn into a very tiny little treat box. So this is what you would stick through here, and you would put scrapbook paper on it, and it would just cut it out for you just like that with just a few hand cranks. So I'm very excited to try this. Again, a die cut machine is a great affordable option to a cutting machine if you're looking to do those types of crafts. Now I want to move in to some tools, things that are just very helpful when you are crafting. Now this one I'm very excited about because I am not a very good bow maker, but they had this bow making kit. And what you do is it's a wooden board, and there's different holes with pegs. And depending on the type of the bow that you want to make, you put the pegs and you essentially use your ribbon and wrap it around to try to make yourself whatever bow it is that you want to make. So I am very excited for this, especially for the Christmas season. I think this is a very useful tool, and I cannot wait to bust this out. Now this next tool is not going to be a surprise to you. I picked up another awl. That's basically just this pointy little thing. I'm telling you, this is the MVP tool of crafting. I have one. I felt like I needed another one because I've used it so much. So this, you guys know, I use this all the time. So I'm excited to have another one in my stash. So this little gadget is definitely going to come in handy, especially when it comes to gift wrapping. I saw my friend Shannon. Hers looked very similar to this, and I absolutely loved it. And so I picked one up. What you do is you take your tape, you stick it inside here, and then you set it on this little part right there. Make sure it's all clicked in there. Just like that. Perfect. Then it shoots out perfect pieces of tape. Hold on, let me shoot another one for you. Just a second. Okay, there we go. It shoots out a piece of tape. Let it focus. There you go. I know it's clear, but it's perfect size for wrapping. It's the clear kind, so it's not cloudy when you wrap it, so it disappears. But I'm telling you, like, how easy is that? So I'm very excited to have this once gift wrapping season starts. Next handy tool is a rotary circle cutter. I mean, who doesn't need to be able to cut circles anytime and any size? So basically, this is just, you put it down and then you swoosh it around to cut your circles. So I'm thinking this is gonna come in pretty handy when I just need that quick little circle. Now let's move in to some supplies that I picked up to kind of fill my stash up. Starting with this Christmas ribbon. So this is a red and white ribbon. It looks like a little sweater. It is very well made. And I just saw it and thought, you know what, this would be perfect for if I'm making snowmen or want to make a candy cane or just add a unique bow to something. So I'm very excited to work this into Christmas DIYs, and if I have some left over, I'll use them for Valentine's Day as well. Bamboo craft sticks are up next. I just like the size of these. They're flat. They don't have rounded edges, which a lot of times when you're crafting with popsicle sticks, you're having to cut those off. And so I thought, okay, these would be a great thing to have because I feel like I'll be using a lot of these in my Christmas projects. Coming up with fun ways to gift wrap stuff, especially again in the holiday season, I picked up a pack of these gift boxes. I've already actually used several of them. This is what they look like when you put them together. It comes with a ribbon, and I really love these. I just think it kind of makes your gift look really elegant. You could cut out letters on your Cricut if you wanted to in vinyl, or maybe do some scrapbooking and do some kind of embellishment to the front of it to really make it a custom gift. Add some festive ribbon, but I just thought this was a great little gift box and a different way to give a gift. Wood pieces are always great to have as a base for any type of DIY project. So here is a huge pack of these little 4x6 basswood, really good quality pieces of wood. I can round the corners. It's thin enough that I could use my miter shears to trim it if I need to, or to cut them apart. So I just wanted to get some more pieces. I can also use these in my laser to cut things, so kind of a dual purpose, and I'm excited to use these. And of course, with Christmas time, you can never have enough styrofoam cones. These are the perfect little size. Honestly, I'm thinking I'm gonna keep some of these for summer crafts as well, because it just reminds me of an ice cream cone, but you can never have enough cones. So definitely picked up some of these to refill my stash. You can't go wrong with some rickrack. There are 15 yards on each of these, so I got some red and some green, and I know I will be using this. Glitter cardstock. So I'm pretty excited to see how this does. If it's no shed, that's going to be key for me. So let's see what this variety pack. All right, there's purple, no shed. Okay, love it. I love this so much. It's no shed. So there's purple in here. There's a very pretty color purple, light pink, really pretty, as well as kind of a teal turquoise color. Y'all, seriously. Oh my gosh, absolutely nothing. No shed whatsoever. Gold. Ooh, this green is very pretty. Kind of like a minty, it's very pretty green, and then silver. So, oh my gosh, no shed. Yes, this is worth it 100 million times over. Oh my gosh, yes. No glitter, shedding, cardstock. And now more faux sprinkles. So it came in this cute little container here, and in this little sprinkle pack, there are some snowman slices, snowflakes, little candy canes. There's just plain green, Santa, snowflakes, little chocolate bits, peppermints, gingerbread houses, Christmas trees. Oh my goodness, so many different things on here. Cute little wreaths, I think those are. So lots of cute little Christmas sprinkles. I mean, come on. Everybody loves sprinkles, even if they are fake. I actually picked up a huge bag of river rocks to start making some Christmas crafts. They're kind of scattered about, so I don't have the package to show you, but I have started making more Christmas DIY ones. I did make some already, but I'm very excited to make some kindness rocks for Christmas season. That will wrap up today's video. I'm excited to try, like I said, some of these crafting techniques and hopefully bring you some fresh new ideas for the Christmas DIY season. You can find all the information down below in the description box. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye! Thanks so much for watching. Here are some more videos you might enjoy. Let me know down below which crafting technique you are most excited to see me bring to my channel during Christmas DIYs. Bye!